Hi everybody, it's Lauren Brown, also known as Raggedy Royal on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and now YouTube. And today we're going to be doing this pretty bubblegum pink, nude, brown combo. You know, I never know what to call my lip tutorials until I ask the rag dolls. The name is down below. We're going to be doing this pretty lip right here. And I've been rocking this for about maybe 3 weeks. I've been doing a pink base. I also did a video on how I did my entire base makeup and did this base makeup on my mom. So if you want to see those videos as well, I got you. But right now we're going to focus on the lip. So let's get right into it. It's a little bit different than my nude lip tutorial, but we're going to be using the same laws of Lauren's lip combos. Let's get into it. Hello. Okay, so first we're going to highlight the Cupid's bow. I'm going to be taking the Estate Makeup Highlighter. It's a cream highlighter in Lunar. And I'm going to be just using my finger to highlight the Cupid's bow. Where is the Cupid's bow? You see this V where your top lip, the right side of your top lip and the left side of your top lip meet? That's Cupid's bow. Now, your Cupid's bow may be smaller than mine, bigger than mine. They come in all shapes and sizes. Don't even worry about that. The reason why we highlight the Cupid's bow is because it's going to emphasize and enhance the definition and the shape of our lips as we line the lips. So I like to do that first. Boom, real simple. Okay, so to line the lips, we're going to be taking the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. And this is in Limitless Chocolate. And I'm going to start in the corner of the lip. This is the corner of the bottom lip on the right side. I'm gonna make a line underneath the bottom lip all the way to the other side. The reason why I go underneath and over the actual legitimate line of the lips is not because I'm trying to make my lips look bigger. There was a whole thing on my Instagram comments about that. They were like, you're not fooling anybody. Thinking it's not that I'm trying to make my lips look bigger. I'm very happy with the size of my lips. The reason why I do that is to accentuate the shape of the lip. So that's why I go a little bit into the overlining territory. I'm going to line the top lip, starting on the right side. And then on the left side, do the same thing. Now I'm gonna fix this. Don't talk and line at the same time. Okay, so now once that is fixed, I'm going to just color in slightly with that brown. The reason why I do that is because some people like to do just one stark thin line and then whatever's on the lip kind of look completely separate. I like for the combination to integrate into one another and create an ombre. So that's why I like to add a little bit of brown onto the actual lip just so that it will blend better with the rest of the lip that we're doing. And it's not going to look so segregated. Next, I'm going to go on with my main color. If you watched a Raggedy Royal lip tutorial before, you know you have your liner color, your main color, and your highlight color. So now I'm going with my main color. And this right here is the ColourPop Lippie Stix in Westie. And it's one of my favorite pinks. And I'm going to add that right onto the lip. And it's actually like creamy. Like, I love this formula, but I especially love this color. I feel like it's rare you get like a real pastel pink these days. And now to blend, you can go like this. The old way, the traditional way. You can do that anywhere on the go, in your studio, wherever you are. You can always get one of these. You also can take a flat brush and blend the two shades together if you would like it to be a little bit more demure, you know. You can take that flat brush, just that flat eyeshadow brush, and always blend the two together. Next, we're gonna go in with that highlight shade. This right here is the About Face Matte Fluid Eye Paint in On Pointe. And I actually think I might have used this as an eyeshadow perhaps twice ever. I always use it for lips. I think it's great for nude combos, for pink combos, and it's going right in the center of the lip. Why am I adding this light shade in the center of the lip? That's because That's where I want to highlight. Whenever you add light shades on the face, whether it's, you know, a light shade here at the tip of the nose, or a light concealer here right underneath the eye, or that light shade that we use to highlight the cupid's bow. The reason why you highlight anything on the face is to attract attention to it, right? So I want to attract attention to the center of the lip. That's going to really make that ombre just look beautiful, and also help with accentuating the shape of the lip, because you're looking here. You see what I'm cooking up here? And I'm going to just make sure that's nice and blended in. And it is. Now at this point, this is your checkpoint. If you want to add some more of that brown, you can go ahead and add some more of that brown, right? If you feel like it's too pink, you add that brown. If you feel like it's too brown, you add some of that pink. Maybe you want a little bit more of that highlight shade in the center. My goal with my YouTube videos is to teach you what to do and why you do it, so that you can make some decisions for your own and not just say, oh, well, she did it like this, so I have to do it like this. No, it's your face. You take some agency and some authority in the lip. So now I've explained to you kind of why we're adding it. So now you can look at it and say, like a couple seconds ago, I was like, this is a little bit too pink. I'm going to add some more brown. Maybe you're like, this is a little bit too brown. I'm going to add some more pink. Now is the time to do that, because we're about to get into gloss. Now, you can leave the lip just like this if you would like, but we're taking it to the next level. We're taking it to the next level per the usual, if anybody's surprised. So I'm going to be using 2 lip glosses. This right here is the Too Faced Kissing Jelly Lip Gloss in Bubblegum. And I'm going to just be adding that onto the lips. It has a pink shimmer in it that I just think is gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. Now, you can leave it right here. You stop right here. Do you need 2 lip glosses? No, you don't need 2 lip glosses. I'm just showing you, you know, I'm showing you how you can use 2 lip glosses if you want to. This is the Fenty Beauty Fussy Heat lip gloss in Lavender Savage, and I'm going to add this right to the center of the lip. And this is a plumping lip gloss, so I don't really like plumping lip gloss because I feel like a science experiment every time I put them on. But I feel like I've used this one so much that it's not so like, heat. But I love the way it makes the center of the lip look. And there is your lip combo. There it is. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this lip, please give it a like. If you like lip videos, guess what? I have a whole bunch. I posted 3 last month for that was the end of July, for National Lipstick Day. So go check those out. I also have some coming up soon. I think I'm gonna do burgundy because it's the time for burgundy lips. So if you have any colors that you want me to do, let me know down below. I love suggestions and recommendations on what to do next, and I love to know y'all needs so I can figure out how to, you know, meet the needs. If you tried this look, please tag me. I'd love to see it on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all at Raggedy Royal. Also, if you have any questions about anything on my face, I literally did a base tutorial on this pink base. I did a video doing this exact base makeup on my mom, how to apply lashes, how to do brows, how to do the waterline. Literally every single part of my face has a video on my YouTube channel, so stay a while, check that out, and please hit subscribe below if you enjoyed your time here. We are almost to 45,000 subscribers, which is almost 50,000 subscribers, which is almost the big 100. We're working, and I'm so happy to have you here. So please have a great rest of your day. Try this lip out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.